welcome back to my channel. We're doing another unboxing video by me. Alright, so today I am very excited to bring you my very first ever, sorry it's wobbling, my very first ever FabFitFun. Look, it takes up the whole entire screen. So this is the Fall 2019 FabFitFun box. So they had a special going on. So instead of paying the full $50 for the season, now they have a new one. The special's half off. So I really only paid $25. Plus I did get some add-ons because I have a thing with add-ons, you know. But this was a really awesome deal. I've been wanting to try it, so to be able to get this whole entire box for 25 bucks is an amazing deal. And if I do have a link, I'm not sure if I have like a referral link or something because this is my first time. If I do find one, I will leave that in the link in the description box below so you can go ahead and get your own FabFitFun box. So let's do the unboxing. Another thing I do like about it is that you can pick some of your items. So right on top we have their little magazine, and from what I understand it just kind of goes over some of the items. They have all kinds of, like this is the scarf, what you can do with it, you know, lots of stuff like that. And I'm not sure about retail prices, which I don't think they have in here. We have an $80 gift card for HelloFresh. And we have this. So $15 off your first box. Oh, okay. So here is a coupon code that expires on October the 25th, and it is to get $15 off your first box. So if you want to try this, then you can use this code. Since it's backwards, I'm gonna type it up here, but it's P3-IF7C, and that is your deal to get your first box for $35, which if you happen to miss the fall box for $25, you could always try that. All right, and this is what she looks like right on top. See? All packaged nicely. There it is. All right, so let's take a look and see what all this awesome stuff is. All right, so right on top, we have Wander Beauty, which I love, and this is baggage claim gold eye mask. I don't know why they're baggage claim, but oh my gosh, it's so many. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 6 of them. We have 6 pairs of gold eye mask, and that's what they look like. How awesome is that? All right, so I was able to find the retail prices in this magazine. So the Wander Beauty eye mask are $25 for a whole 6-pack of these. We have Tristique Mini Eye Essentials right there. So we have a brow pencil, a shadow, 2 shadow crowns, and an eye pencil. So let's see what these look like. Okay, so this, even though it looks like that's it, that's just the lid. So we have a brow pencil. Super cute, and that is in brown. And then we have the 2 shadow pencils, which look like this. They're the real big ones. And we have a light brown and a dark brown. And then we have a regular black eyeliner. So that is awesome. And these retail for $48. Alright, next I have, this is by Juice Cleanse, and this is the exfoliating sugar cubes. So that is right here. And that retails for $16. So let's see what they smell like. Oh, it smells so good. These are so cool. They remind me of like really big icebreaker, the cube gum. I just want to like eat it. And it smells like gum too, like the fruity gum. That's so awesome. All right, so it says take a single cube with you in the shower and rub it over you. That's kind of weird, but very cool. All right, so the very next thing, this is one that I actually was able to pick myself. This is the Kate Spade lunch tote. And I got this because I go on a lot of field trips with my kids. So to be able to have this to pack the lunches and stuff is awesome. So this is really nice. It says out to lunch right there. And this retails for $30. Very cute. Now this is like a leather material. This is all leather on the inside. So it's just like a normal size lunch bag. You can definitely fit a lot of stuff in it, and then it has the little handle on top. So super cute. All right, next we have, this is Cosmetics. Okay, it says Pure C, Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. What is this? Mix the crystals with any of your favorite cosmetics products and apply to face. So if I don't have another cosmetics product, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to mix this with. So that's kind of weird. I'm kind of not clear on this. But this retails for $54. Oh, this says add a dose to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. So it's just like adding vitamin C to your moisturizer. So that's what that looks like. All right, now we have Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Right there. And this retails again for $30, so that is awesome. So it's instant visible repair, and it also protects from heat styling. So that is, and it's a leave-in treatment, so that's awesome. Okay. It kind of smells like baby lotion. How weird is that? Okay. I guess I can just put it in my hair, right? That's kind of weird. It smells like a baby butt. Yeah, it's like a baby thing. I don't know. It's not like a super awesome hair smelling product, but you know, I'll try it. All right, and then this is by the brand called Humankind. So that's what this looks like. It is skincare with a conscience. And it's a body souffle. It's a souffle cream body stuff. Whipped 2-in-1, light and fluffy, absorbs in your skin. Just a moisturizer, I guess. And this retails for $18. Oh, it's got plastic on it. That's why it won't open. No, that smells good. That smells really good. That smells like some Bath and Body Works stuff. So that is super awesome. Looks like there's a lot of fluff in here. We have our last product. This is our very last one. And this is again one that I picked out. We have our Plush Soft and Warm Scarf. Yay, this is so awesome. It is really, really soft. And this actually retails for $75. So this is so, so awesome. And it says hand wash separately in cold water. So very, very nice scarf. Very good. So this box retails, I haven't done all the math. I'll add it and stick it right here. How freaking awesome is that? For $25, I paid $25, okay? This is $75. How freaking awesome is that? Very exciting. Actually, let's do a recap, because you know, that's what I do. So we have our scarf, we have the lunch tote, and then for beauty products, we have the body cream, the hair care repair stuff, we have the mini eye essentials, and the vitamin C that you add into your moisturizer, the Wander Beauty eye stuff, and the body scrub things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. That's freaking good. I like this. So I like this so much. I may or may not be keeping it for the winter. I was debating on it, so we'll kind of see when the time comes if I'm gonna keep it, which will be the normal 50. But this seems like a really good box. I definitely got a lot of beauty products in it, more so than what I was expecting, but it definitely does seem like it's worth the price for it. So again, if you're interested, check the link below in the description. I hope you guys did like the video. Give it a big thumbs up. Stay tuned because my next video will be lightening my hair with no bleach. And if you didn't see when I did do the coloring for this, go check that out. I'll leave it linked at the end of this video or up in the iCard, so check that out. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye.